Karibu mtazamaji, tuingie viwanjani. Bingwa dunia mbio za Marathon Eliud Kipchoge alizigawia familia 70 chakula cha msaada kilichotolewa na wakfu wake katika kijiji cha Kapsisiywa, kaunti ya Nandi. Kipchoge ambaye amekuwa akiwasaidia wanariadha wasiojiweza wakati huu wa Korona eneo la Bonde la Ufa, alizikabidhi familia hizo mitambo ya sola kuzisaidia familia zisizo na nguvu za umeme.
They always say charity begins at home. So I'm back to donate food stuff to the 70 families. 70 families means the whole 70 households from the whole location, and they have actually benefited from food. I think they will take 2 weeks, and other 30 families which actually will benefit from solas, and I think it's a good initiative whereby when somebody actually is not hungry at the same time, he or she can actually see well at night. So I'm in collaboration with Patmat. Many people are really coming in, but we still wish that we get more corporates, more people to actually donate food so that we can keep the different people. We started with sport, we started with athletics. And last Tuesday we went to katika where I'm training. That the families also benefited. And today we are here in Nandi, and 70 families are benefited. So it's good initiative whereby we are in times of COVID-19. So at the same time we're donating food and telling people actually to keep away from a big crowd, take social distance, wash their hands, wear the mask.